Okay. So, am I audible to all of you? Harsh, Rohit?
Yes.
Okay. So, see, approximately 10 days of time is left for the FRM exam, level 1. Now, if you see, it's not very difficult to crack the exam because we have done a lot of classes, we have done a lot of practice. So, the last 10 days should be totally devoted to questions practice. And once you practice the questions which you're not getting correct, why you're not getting correct, that should be the focus. Now, you see, you have four parts, right? Now you need to do some mix practice. So, see, if you have some backlog of classes, I'll recommend you need to increase your study hours. As a college student, you can study on an average 10 to 12 hours for the last 10 days. Because if you don't give these hours, then all the past efforts will not make much sense. Okay. So that is why it's very important for you all to keep practicing. Now, you can divide your day, like you can practice book one and book two in one day, book three and book four in one day. So in a day, you can practice two to three books and keep revising. And for the last 10 days, all you need to do is practice more and more questions. Like we'll also be providing you with mock exams, and that will be available in the dashboard itself. So you all need to basically practice the mock exams. There are mock exams provided by the GARP Institute that is available in your FRM GARP login. Okay. So there are two mocks which you need to practice. So that is again very, very, very crucial for your for clearing your exams. Okay. So that is very important for you all to clear the exams. So practice the official GARP mocks, and like in 1 hour, even if you're practicing, let's say suppose 20 questions, okay? So what I feel is that like in a day, you can practice roughly 200 questions, and approximately in the next 10 days, you should have a aim to practice minimum 1500 MCQs. Okay, and then review all those MCQs because the solutions are also given in the dashboard itself. So you should leave everything, focus on just practicing more and more, more and more, more and more questions. Okay. And in the exam also, if you don't understand any part or any question, just go ahead. Just go ahead. It's you. You cannot basically tick all the 100 questions in level one correct, but you need to be on an average 70 to 80% correct to get through the exams. Okay. So that is the main goal that I will tell you all to focus on. Just keep more and more practice going on. If there is backlog, complete that. But apart from that, keep practicing questions. That's the best strategy to follow. Just keep on practicing the questions. Okay. And don't forget to take your passport and your admit which is there in your mail. Check the distance before going for the exam. Okay, and in the exam time you have 4 hours and you have 100 questions. So in the first 2 hours you should be very active and attentive, and like try to solve majority of the questions correct so that you get some confidence on the questions which are not able to solve. Because if out of 100 you solve 60, okay, then you will get confidence that yes, I can do the balance 40 as well. Okay, it's as simple as that. And don't stress out. Whatever you have done the best. Okay. So don't stress out a lot. Exam results are quite good because they're close to 45%. So just focus on practicing more and more questions. That's the simple strategy. And don't stress out. They are going to test your patience. Okay. They are going to test your accuracy, your speed skills, your professional mindset. Okay. It's not only the preparation. So all these things matter. With a lot of stress, what will happen is that you can get a correct question wrong. You will not see words like least likely, most evident, which of the following is wrong, all of the following except which is true. So basically, you will miss out these words, okay, and they will totally game you in the paper. Okay, so that's the best advice that I would like to give you all. We are keeping review sessions now. Uh, on an average, you will get 7 to 8 more review sessions in the last 10 days. So just keep attending the sessions and all the best for your exams. Don't stress out a lot. Just focus on practicing more and more questions. Yeah, no problem. You can just follow the dashboard. You can just follow the dashboard and just try to do more and more practice. Practice is all you need to do now because last 10 days can be a game changer. The more you practice, the more chances of clearing the exam. Okay? And keep practicing. Stay healthy. Don't eat outside. Uh, Eat home cooked food so that you don't fall ill on the exam day. Okay? And apart from that, like just have a good sound sleep of 7 to 8 hours. That's again very important. And be very active in the exam time. For example, if your exam is from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 12 noon, so you need to practice on that time for the next 10 days because that will help you to be very active on that part of the day. That's very important. You cannot wake up at 1 p.m. every day for the next 10 days if you're having your exam from 8 a.m. to 12 noon. It will be extremely difficult for you to change your cycle, okay? Get into the habit of being very active in that part of the day, okay? Thank you. And if you have any query, like you just post it in the group, okay? And thank you so much. And keep practicing, nothing else. Just keep practicing. Okay. Mark the questions, flag the questions which you are getting incorrect. Okay. But apart from that, keep practicing. Nothing else. Abhi, for the last 10 days, just you need to spend time with your books as much as possible. As much as possible. Okay. Okay. Thank you.